me, Kinghuman, and in this video I want to put on a little mini masterclass and give you guys some ideas on how to make money online and really put you on the path to wealth. This is going to be super easy. Anybody can do this. Check this out. Here we go. Booyakasha.
Kinghuman Elites. It's me, Kinghuman, and in this course I'm going to show you how to make amazing courses that you can resell or even give away for free, and make money on the back end via affiliate sales. I think you'll find this method of digital information distribution very interesting. And once you see it all, I think you'll see how using this affiliate marketing system could possibly make you a great amount of money passively. So just go through all the chapters below and be sure to check them as completed as you go. Once you've completed all the chapters and checked them off, you'll instantly get a valuable free bonus. Okay, great. Maximum respect and all the best of life. Cheers.
Okay, cool. Just to show you, again, that was just one of those AI avatar videos. The link for this software is below, and I think there's a special. If you use my link, you get a discount. I forget. Doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm just showing you what I do. You can do it or not. It's up to you. So, as I said, I can sell these interactive checklists. I can give them away for free. And it still makes me money, even if I give it away for free. Let me show you what's going on. So, as I said, when people check this, you'll see it shows their progress. That's what makes it interactive. And when they go through here, they open up the chapter and they read the text, whatever the instructional text is, and then they watch the video, the step-by-step tutorials in video. Then they can mark their chapter complete, and when they mark all of their chapters completed, they get a bonus. And this software delivers a bonus to them, and that bonus could be anything, like a course completion certificate. Let's say you create course completion certificates, and if somebody collects 10 course completion certificates, they get their master certificate, and that entitles them to such and such, whatever, right? It can be any kind of monetary award. It could be a physical good award like a medal, or it could be other courses. Whatever you want it to be, you can deliver a cool bonus. And that keeps people interested and motivated in what you have to teach them. And if you give somebody something that they just look at and they don't go through and they don't care about, they throw it away and they don't think of you a second time. That's why I like this disruptive method of delivering content, not just putting it in a PDF. So anyway, you can see everything here. I'm teaching in this particular course, the Mastermind New Wave Viral Affiliate Marketing System. In this course, I'm teaching a lot of what I'm showing you in this overview in this video. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to give you this particular interactive checklist. Now, one of the things that I have done is, as a free bonus for people that have gotten their hands on this interactive checklist, I've given them the free resale and giveaway rights to this product. So I show you what you can do. You can sell it and keep 100% of the profits. You can give it away as a free bonus on something that you're selling. You can give it away for free in any manner you want. You can use it to build your social media following or as an instant download, whatever you want. So there it is. And you can do these. It's very easy. This will teach you everything you need to know on how to make money with these interactive checklists. I personally know a guy on Warrior Plus, his name is Kevin, and he makes checklists. They're not even interactive. He makes checklists and he sells them on Warrior Plus, and he makes a very decent amount of money doing it. So there it is. I'll give you the link to this actual new wave viral interactive marketing system, interactive checklist, and you can grab it for yourself. So below in the video description, go and grab this. There's no opt-in. You don't need to opt into a mailing list to get this. There's no hubbub. I'll give you the link, and then once you have that link, you can distribute it and do whatever you want with it as well. Now that I've shown you the first method that makes me decent money, let me show you the second method that makes me off the hinges money. Okay, now that I've shown you that, let me show you this. The previous method makes me, I don't know, 50 bucks a day, something like that. I don't know. It's not huge money. What I'm showing you now is the kind of money I really make. Now, this comes in every day, every week, every month, every year on autopilot, pretty much. It's no joke. This is serious money. If you want to make this kind of money, what I want you to do is go to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and follow through. Now, what I'm going to show you there and what I'm going to teach you there is how to make little automated income robots, which is exactly what I do. And it's great because it's not going to cost you any out-of-pocket money to create these income robots. Now, the other thing I want to do for you is this. When you go to thekinghumanelite.com, enter the code JUST8. Small caps, JUST and the number 8. And then you're going to be able to join for just $8. Now, don't do it if you're not serious. Don't waste my time. Don't waste your time. Don't waste the $8. Because I give my students phone number where they can get a hold of me and I can coach them one-on-one. And I don't want to waste my time with anyone that's not serious. So don't waste my time. Don't waste your time. Just go away. But if you're serious and you want to make the kind of money I'm showing you, follow through. Now, I don't guarantee you're going to make that kind of money, but I give you the best chance at it anywhere. So there it is. Do it, don't do it. It's up to you. Cheers.